Hello and welcome back to Living Abroad. Today is a special day. Thanks to you, the channel hit over 1,000 subscribers. So I just want to say thank you, and for that reason I went and bought a brand new vlogging camera like I promised. If you've been following the channel, I told you guys if we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll go ahead and buy a new camera, because up until this point I've been using a broken Samsung S8 to do the recording. This is what it looks like. This is what I'm using right now. So let's go ahead and put this baby to the test and see if it makes a difference. Samsung S8 is what you're seeing now, and let's go outside and try this baby out. Take it for a spin. I'll show you guys what my neighborhood looks like, and thank you once again for making the channel hit over 1,000 subscribers. My name is Alex. I know right now you cannot live maybe in Thailand like I am. Maybe you got work, maybe you got family, maybe you got like financial restrictions or other obligations you got to do, but that's okay. You can live through me. Let's go. So this is it. So this is the footage from the new camera. It's really nice, but like, wow, am I getting ugly and old? Maybe it was better I didn't buy this camera. Anyways, so this is my room. I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour of the place I'm renting. I won't take too long, don't worry. And right outside my room, actually, you can see the Wat. So that's the temple. That's the Chinese temple. I think it's I don't really know, to be honest. I don't want to say the wrong information, but that's a temple right outside my window, which is kind of cool. So let's go ahead and show you a quick tour of this place. It's very small, just a bed here, and what is that? Armchair? I can't even speak English right now. I'm so excited. Just a table where I do my work. There's no kitchen here, but there is a small fridge and a microwave. Let me show you guys the bathroom before we go outside and show you my neighborhood. And this is the bathroom. It's kind of basic, but it's got everything I need: toilet, shower. In Thailand, many places don't have separation between the toilet and the bathroom. I mean, many cheap places, at least anyways. I mean, I could stay at a 5-star hotel, but I don't got that kind of money. But let's go outside and I'll show you what this neighborhood looks like in Thailand. It's my first week, so I'm very excited. Follow me. Oh, by the way, what's the quality of this video, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Has it made a difference? Would you rather me stick to my phone, or do you think this camera actually makes a difference? And let me know. I would love to know. Let's go outside. So I live on a very busy street. Actually, I'm living in Chinatown right now, and right outside my place, like literally, is this beautiful temple. Look. I don't know if this is the one we were looking at from my room, but it's really nice. Now let's go for a walk and I'll show you guys my neighborhood. It's a really busy place. There's cars and street vendors everywhere. I'm gonna make my way to a coffee shop first. We'll grab some bubble tea or some sort of like drink before we get our day started. But people are just living life here right now. It's still kind of early in the day. So many of the street vendors, the fruit vendors, the coffee vendors are all out here. And before we go back inside to finish the video, I'll show you guys one of my favorite coffee ladies that makes street coffee. But for now, let's walk towards a coffee shop that I like to spend some time and do some work on my laptop or other things. But yeah, there's beautiful things everywhere, and I'm not even like 100 meters away from my place yet. Already I can tell you that Bangkok, maybe not obviously, but surprisingly, it's more expensive than Tbilisi, Georgia, right? So anything from cost of food to transportation, I've noticed that the costs are much more expensive. This is a place I come to called Woodbrick. I go on the 3rd floor and have a coffee usually. This is the cafe that I come to. It's really nice, and I usually get the same thing. I can't even say it, but it's this Wood Wolf. Look at the menu. And these girls are super nice every time. Actually, it's got a deck or patio too. So we'll go outside and have a look. Whoa. What you guys know about this lifestyle? Okay, let's go inside and get our drink. I had me an iced coffee. Now it's time to go ahead and explore Bangkok, and more specifically Chinatown. During the day, this place is like really crowded and like more like merchandise things, people packing up stuff to ship to customers. But at nighttime, this place really like picks up, and I'll show you guys a clip of that later. You'll see what I mean. Like, there's street food vendors everywhere. You'll love it. Yeah, you get a nice mixture of old buildings, temples, people working on the street, people carrying things, so a real feel of the local life here. We'll make our way down to the main street. Hey, I made some new friends. Hello. Say hi. They're shy. Okay, bye. You can say goodbye. Say bye-bye. There you go. See you guys. Here's a look at some neighborhood local vendors selling items like belts. I do need a belt actually. Oh, and fresh fruit obviously is plentiful here. Exotic fruits I've never seen. Those are baby ass pineapples. Dragon fruit. So right there. I think I'm gonna get some fruit. Why not? 20 baht. What do you guys thinking? Watermelon? I think watermelon it is. Alright, we got the watermelon here. I think I'm gonna get that one. Okay. You wanna say hello?
Yeah.
Alright, what a lovely gentleman. You got a straw with it. There we go.
Wow.
I'll just take it myself. He's not even looking or caring, so I'll just pick it up myself. You guys want to see a grown man eat a watermelon? Just like that. Drop it everywhere and get it on my white shirt. But yeah, this was 20 baht. Not bad. Less than $1 for a package of watermelon. Let's continue and see what else we can find. There you have it. A nice view of my second chin while eating watermelon for you guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Dropped it all over myself. Let's see if we can discover some more things around this area. Another interesting fact about Bangkok so far, I've noticed that the ATMs, they charge a lot more than they did in Tbilisi or in Istanbul, Turkey. So if you try to pull money out, every ATM has a 220 baht surcharge. So that's about, let's see, about $9 or $7. I guess it's not so bad. But it is more expensive than Tbilisi or Georgia. I think about 25% to 30% more expensive if you want to withdraw money through your credit card. So make sure you have some sort of like cash system or a Thai bank account or something if you want to pull money out on a regular basis, or that if you're going to pull money out, that you do it at a large amount all at once, so you don't pay so much transaction fees. Another lovely thing about all the places I travel to is like looking down these side streets, because you never know what you're going to find, or just like walking around, exploring the city is one of my favorite things to do aside from eating. Obviously, I'm getting really big lately. I look at a gym, but like, nah, too much work to work out. Just gonna like walk it off, hopefully. Speaking of walking, I'll try to do some more streaming, live streams of walking. Some of these areas can get really tight when you're walking, so be careful not to have your wallet loosely in your pocket, because you might come out of it without a wallet. It hasn't happened to me, but I know it's very common to lose your wallet in places like this. So if you're coming to Bangkok, or anywhere that's touristy, lots of people, put that stuff away. It's funny coming from a guy that loses his wallet all the time. Maybe that's why I know. I've learned from experience. Well, you can see all kinds of things here. Jewelry, accessories, you name it, they got it. And this is just like a random street near my neighborhood. I'm not like at a market. At least I don't think I am. I'm trying to find a barber though. I'm gonna get a haircut. Right? Take a look at my hair. You can't really tell, but I gotta shave the sides really, and I'm not looking very presentable, you know. So yeah, I almost punched a woman in the head. what else we got here? More food for Alex to eat. Crepes. And the man making crepes. So friendly. I love these people. I love everybody. And I'm pretty sure I'm lost. I will figure it out. GPS it all the way home. Here we are on the main road. So these big Chinese writing neon signs will look beautiful at nighttime. I'll give you guys a glimpse of that later on tonight. This is the main street. It's really busy and most of the vendors are lined up on the sides here. And in the evenings it turns into like a walking street of just different food vendors mainly. What is this? No clue. Some sort of fruit or vegetable. Actually, I live right around the corner from here. I did find my way home. Fresh. The size of the grapes. So big. We found ourselves a fruit. Hey! Hoppa! It didn't break though. Strong bottle. Not bad. Not bad at all. Ooh. Chestnuts, hazelnuts, coconuts, all kinds of nuts. I don't really know. So here, right before I go into the alley where my apartment is, there's a lot of older Chinese gentlemen that hang around here having coffees. So this is it here. Sawadee Cup. Yes, please. This is a little coffee stand here. Every morning I grab a coffee here, and she got fresh brewing filtered coffee right here. Let's watch her make her magic. This comes in a little container like this. We'll go inside and drink it. Once you make a turn onto that small alleyway, I just come down the street here and make another turn this way. And up to my apartment we go. But the outside looks a little bit sketchy for sure. There's always some sort of activity happening here. But I just ignore it. And these staircases are like so steep. And you guys saw the inside already. And that's it. And that was it. As you can tell, I'm sweating. So in Thailand, it's really hot. I don't know why I keep looking at the screen. Anyways, that was this week's video, guys. Once again, I want to thank every single one of you for subscribing to the channel. I really appreciate it. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think of my neighborhood inside of Chinatown here in Bangkok. Also, guys, whenever you respond or leave a comment down below, I always reply, right? So I want this to be more than just like a YouTube video. I want us to be a small family. I know I'm expecting a lot, but thank you once again for helping me reach 1,000 subscribers. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you really want to support the channel, you can go ahead and donate and buy me a coffee so I can go ahead and give back to the communities I travel to. All that information is on the website. And here's another thing. I'm going to be traveling to Phuket, to Krabi, to Koh Lanta, all these other islands down south. So if you want to see me take a look at these islands using this new camera that I bought, feel free to follow me. And let me know if you have any questions, if anything interests you. Were you surprised to see where I'm staying? Maybe the outside of the building compared to like the inside of the apartment. I don't know, guys. I would love to know your thoughts. If you have any ideas, suggestions, anything you want to see specifically, don't be shy. Let me know. I'm more than happy to go ahead and film these things for you. I have lots of free time during the day, so why not go ahead and show you what you want to see instead of me rambling on. That's it, guys. So I'll see you next time. Bye.